banana bread you will ever make in your life. I am going to walk through my secret ingredient book and teach you how to be an amazing cook. And I'm going to start with my favorite all-time recipe, my Hunka Chunka banana love recipe. I have my little banana bread recipe when I was 10 years old. It was called Kona banana bread. So this has made thousands of loaves of bread. You never know what's going to happen at 10 years old, what you can do in your future. It's also in the book, Hunka Chunka Banana Love, and we're going to start with that. It's so easy. The older the bananas, the better, the sweeter. You don't want to start with real nice yellow bananas because it's not going to work. Where you're going to peel these bananas, make sure they're really mushy, right? It is so easy. You don't even need a mixer. We're going to squish them up. Now, we take our liquid stuff first. I'm going to take the oil, 1 cup of oil. I'm going to take 4 eggs. I use a paper towel and I put them on the paper towel like this, and this folds up, it goes in the trash. We've got our 4 eggs, we've got our bananas and our oil. I'm going to mix it around. Then I take my sugar, which is 2 cups of sugar. So I have my bananas, my eggs, my sugar, and my oil. I'm going to add my dry ingredients. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. I have 2.5 cups of flour. So I have all of the ingredients mixed up. I will then take my spatula, which a curved spatula is the best thing you could ever use because you can round the bowl with it. I've got some walnuts. You could use pecans or walnuts. Today I'm just going to use some walnuts. I'm going to do just 1/2 cup of walnuts, and I'm going to, with my spatula, mix it in. You want to get some pan spray. It's the best. I don't like the smell of this and all of the fumes, so I turn on my vent, right? And I spray my pan close to the vent so it goes right in so there's no fumes. Now, we're going to take our 2 pans. I use a scooper, and I take this, and I scoop about 3 cups in each pan, okay? And then I will use the other one and scoop it in. There's not going to be much left, so this is going to do for sure 2 loaves. So then I'll just take my bowl and I'll pour the rest in the pan. Here is an amazing secret for you all. This today is your secret ingredient. If you don't have many chips, what you do is right before you're going to bake your breads at 350 for about 40 minutes, and you have to check them, you sprinkle your chips on top so they don't sink and fall to the bottom. So you can still get the flavor of your chocolate chips, but you won't have it scraped on the bottom. Here we go. They're ready to go in the oven. Now you have 2 delicious banana nut breads ready to eat.